I promise I'm a more serious person than this, okay? I just didn't know what to put in order to give the disclaimer for this video. So just bear with the crazy dancing that is happening. To all of you watching, please follow this drill on each video that you watch. Please do not forget to subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please share this video or this series to someone who you think might need it. Please leave me a comment down in the comment section and join my membership club. It's going to help the channel a lot. Hello guys, and hello to my new students. First, I want to give a disclaimer about this entire beginner in beads series slash course slash class. Now, you're going to need to watch the previous classes in order to understand a present class, okay? So if you do not understand what is happening in the fifth class, know that you're going to need to go to the fourth class in order to understand it, because I'm not going to be doing repetitions, okay? Yeah, so I just thought that I should put that disclaimer out there. Also, there are going to be background noises in the videos. I just thought you guys should know, because life happens. Some of us have neighbors, we have kids around, so you're going to hear them. So I really apologize in advance for all those noises that you might hear. So I think that should be it for the disclaimer. If I have more to say, I'll say them within the classes. So I tried as much as possible to do these videos to be as simple as I could. And as this is a beginner's course or class, and I'm taking it very seriously, so I'll be waiting to see you guys pictures of the finished product of the projects after the end of the class. The 3 projects that I have in mind for you guys to do, I'll be waiting to see your finished products. That's basically your exam for me, so I expect you guys to pass that exam, okay? So I really hope this helps somebody who wants to learn to do beads as a hobby, as a small business, or just want to try something new. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Please tell me what you think about the entire series when you're done, and yeah, I'll see you in the first class.